I don't regret all the challenges that I've been put through, all the hardships in the military, or even just as a Filipina within a very male-dominant atmosphere and environment.
Nakabase ngayon sa Halifax, Nova Scotia si Filipina-Canadian Petty Officer Second Class Nicole Fabella na 16 na taon nang naglilingkod sa Royal Canadian Navy o RCN.
Petty Officer Second Class, it's one of those ranks where now you're a supervisor. You have a section, you still have one above you, which is a petty officer first class, and they are the manager of the section. So within that section, I would be the direct link with the subordinates, with the juniors, rather.
Bata pa lamang daw nang maging interesado siya sa mga pelikula na sentro ang trabaho ng militar. Interes na naging mitya rin sa kanyang pagpasok sa propesyon. Hindi man ito ang gusto ng kanyang pamilya para sa kanya, hindi nagpapigil si Fabella na pasukin ang Canadian Armed Forces bilang miyembro ng Navy noong 2010.
16 years ago, it was definitely not a common trade or job to go into, especially as a woman.
Kabilang sa mga pangunahing tungkulin ng RCN ang pagprotekta sa soberanya ng bansa, kasama ang pagbabantay sa anumang banta sa mga karagatan at paghatid ng humanitarian aid at iba pang tulong sa iba pang mga bansa kung kinakailangan. Isa sa di niya malilimutan ng Operation Renaissance noong 2017, hurricane relief sa Caribbean.
To witness these locals in just such devastation with the hurricanes, those Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Maria, and just seeing what it used to be like with pictures of the before and the after, seeing it in with my own eyes was really hard to see, but definitely very grateful and appreciative of the opportunity to work with other allies in helping these people get their lives back.
Sa pinakahuling census data ng Statistics Canada noong 2021, wala pang 2% ang mga Pilipino o may dugong Pinoy na naglilingkod bilang Canadian military personnel.
I find that there's a predominant male Filipino sailors who come in now. However, there are the little pockets of Filipinos around, especially here in Halifax, and I've served with many Filipinas, and I can say it feels very homey.
Ayon kay Fabella, bitbit at ipinagmamalaki niya ang pagiging Pilipino na may malaking papel daw kung paano nakakapagpatuloy sa karera.
Family is a big thing, and I treat my sections, my units as a family.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.